In this video, I'll go over some new features. The first are templates. There was a previous error where the slug was not being captured as a missing attribute. So if you did something like this, it would always fill with people 2. But now it doesn't. It only finds the one that has the person attribute, makes a slug out of it, which is right here, and puts the file there. I've changed the index variable, which is n, so that it isn't per batch exactly, it's per batch and directory. So if you have files in different directory targets, they will get their index independently. And it will also try to find existing numbers. Just to give you an example of this. So here we see that it goes from 1 to 3. Well, there's this 2 here. What you want to do, if you're going to be adding into a directory that already has something like this, is not include that particular one. So we would do something like grab the files except for the one that is already given the prefix, and then apply based off the clipboard instead of to everything. And here we see it skips 2 because that's already present. All right, features. I added a image select. So you can select images and you can have it show the selected image or the text, and that's an option over here. Right here, and this is how you define it. It's just a regular select, but it now has additional options, including a hierarchy. I've added a scratch pad specifically for dealing with this, because if you're adding images, you have to collect these paths, and collecting those paths can be annoying unless you have a scratch pad. So I've got entities here. Let's pretend they're all images. And I copy it to my OS clipboard, and then I open the in-app scratch pad, and now I can go make an image select based off of this. Another feature I've added is a global drop zone, so you can now drop files anywhere. And if you have the inline player open, you can drop files onto the inline player and it will import and play it. I think that's it, so thanks for watching. Bye.